Hello and welcome back to the Learn Adobe Experience Design CC course. In this lesson we're going to be taking a look at creating tags in Adobe XD. So let's zoom into our artboard and we can select the rectangle tool, a left click and draw a four-sided shape. We can deselect the border and then on the fill use the eyedropper tool to select the same blue as our header. And we can then round off those corners in the property inspector by specifying a radius. This will round off all corners equally. You can select the icon to the right, and that will allow you to specify a different radius for each of the four corners. But for this lesson, we're going to keep the radius the same on all corners. Let's just bring that down to 4. And we can double click to go inside our repeat grid group. We're going to copy this text here by going to Edit, Copy, click anywhere on the workspace to come out, and then go to Edit and Paste. We're going to use the same font and size and weight as this. So we can double click to select our text, and let's type tag 1. And we'll change the color to white. And just close that text box up a little bit. And we'll just position this like so. Just adjust the height so you're happy with the size of your tag. And then what we're going to do is double click inside the menu icon. You can do this or you can create a new shape yourself, but we're going to select that top line, go to Edit, Copy. Select the workspace, just come out of that repeat grid group, go to Edit, Paste. Now let's reduce the width of this down to about, let's say 10. And then go to Edit, Duplicate, look for the rotate symbol, hold Shift and rotate 90 degrees. And then if you hold Shift and select both shapes that make up the cross, in the Pathfinder options, just select Add. In the Pathfinder options, just select Add. And then again, with the rotate symbol visible, just hold Shift and rotate 45 degrees. This is to create a cross so users can remove the tag if desired. And we can just bring that box in just to decrease the width on that tag as well. In fact, for this color, I'm going to select a black and I'm going to give it an opacity of 20, just so it's a little bit less visible. Then what we can do is hold Shift to select all of these elements, go to Edit, Duplicate, and drag that to the right. Now make sure everything lines up and hold Shift and use your right arrow key just to move that 10 pixels to the right. And we're going to double click our text and type tag 2. Again, 3 letters, so that works really well. Let's select tag 2, go to Edit, Duplicate, move it to the right, make sure it lines up, hold Shift and press the right arrow key to move that 10 pixels to the right. Double click on the text, and you guessed it, we'll change that to tag 3. Now this is a bit longer, so we need to just extend that text box out, move our cross to the right, and then just extend the width of the tag box itself too. And then I'm just going to select all of the tags and just move those down slightly. And what you can do, just to make selection a bit easier in future, is select each tag individually and the elements inside it. Go to Object and just group those together. Just so if you do need to move the tags around individually, you can just click on the tag and move it as one. And if you want to edit the group without ungrouping it, you can just double click and it will take you inside the group. And then just click anywhere on the workspace to come back out of the group. And then just make sure that all your tags are nicely positioned vertically with equal space above and below, and then lined up with the left edge of your white box here. And there we go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.